I have some denim pieces that have been sitting in my closet. Some pieces I thrifted, and they're just sitting around. I gotta find something to do with them. How should I upcycle them? Let me see. I like this. Okay, let's see what we can do. We just hit 10,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. What is up, guys? Welcome to the Mirror Table, where what you bring to the table is a reflection of you. And today we're bringing another upcycle to the table. So we're going to be upcycling some things I've had in my closet forever. They were thrifted items. I think one was like an old denim jacket and 2 items I thrifted. And I just never wear them. And I thought, I like my clothes kind of elevated. So I want to do something fun and cute with them. And we saw this Hellasy design, and I thought this is very inspirational for me. So Mom is going to, since that worked out so well for the last video, Mom is going to take over the upcycles. We do collaborate and, pick designs and work together, but I'm going to film a lot of her sewing the outfit, and then she's going to hand it off to me, and then I'm going to style it with a cute look. So thank you guys again for 10,000. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm here. This is awesome. We'll have to do a 10,000 follower giveaway and a celebration. I will be planning that for next month. So look forward to that. But let's go ahead and jump into this upcycle. Okay, so for this upcycle, I have a couple jackets. I have this one that's really fitted. I thrifted this one. It's very fitted in the bodice and in the sleeves. So I'm not sure if this jacket is going to work, but we might use some elements from the jacket. I might need some of the buttons or pockets or something from this. So let's check out this other jacket. Now I've had this jacket. It's old. It's been in my closet for a long time. And I started one upcycle and I took off like the sleeves and the collar, and I was like, not liking this. But this jacket may actually work for this upcycle. It has a loose, oversized fit. All I have to do is rip the sleeves out so that Mom can put the velvet in. And also the shoulder line is similar to the shoulder line in the inspiration photo. So I think this jacket is actually going to work a whole lot better than the other jacket for this upcycle. Now for the jeans, I thrifted these Tommy Hilfiger Capri style jeans. There's a wide, thick hem on the bottom. So I plan to release the hem so that Mom can sew velvet on the bottom of these. Now for the velvet, I thrifted a velvet skirt on Dollar Day. Don't forget those Dollar Days at the thrift store. You can find so many great gems. So this is a stretchy style velvet, and there is plenty of this fabric for this upcycle. And since there's so much fabric, maybe Mom will throw in a bonus upcycle. So I'm going to rip and prep these pieces, and then I'm going to hand them off to Mom. I'll narrate the tutorial, and then I'll see you back on the styling side. Now the first thing you're going to do is remove the sleeves from the jacket, and then you're going to remove the cuffs from the sleeves. You get the cuff off, you're going to open up the sleeve by using a seam ripper to open the seam. Now once you get the inner seam open, you're going to lay the piece flat. Now the reason why you open it and lay it flat is because you're going to create a pattern. So you're going to take the right sides of the velvet and the right side of the sleeve, put it together and cut around it to make a pattern so that you can create that sleeve detail with the velvet. Now go ahead and follow along and watch as my mom creates the pattern for the upper velvet sleeve detail. You will need some tailor's chalk and a curved ruler. I will also have a list of supplies that we use to upcycle this project below. I'll also include the links that you can shop these items on my Amazon storefront. So as you see here, my mom is using the curved ruler to create a curve. She's also using her tape measure to measure down where she will mark the curve. Mark your curve according to the measurement that you need for your sleeve. Once you get your pattern all measured and marked, go ahead and cut it out. Now that you have created your pattern pieces for the velvet detail, go ahead and serge all the edges. Once your edges are sewn together, go ahead and put the right sides of the fabric together. So you're going to put the velvet piece on the right side of the denim sleeve piece. And you're going to sew these 2 pieces together. So this next part is really important. You want to edge gauge on the denim side of the fabric, which means you want to sew as close to the edge of the denim side as possible. This technique will help the velvet fabric stay rolled over nice and flat. When she's finishing the edge gauge technique, you'll see when she rolls over the velvet fabric, it's going to lay nice and flat. See how beautiful and flat that is? So you won't have to worry about it rolling over or puckering. It's gonna lay perfectly flat. So now it's time to put the sleeve back together. So you're gonna go ahead and fold the right side together and stitch the seam of the sleeve back together. So now before you put the sleeve back in, you want to prepare the shoulder line. So let's check out the design from the inspiration, and you see the shoulder line right here? We need a piece for that. So it is great to use a waistband from a pair of jeans. Once you remove a waistband from a pair of jeans, cut it the size that you need for the shoulder line. Once you have the size you need, go ahead and pin it to the top of the shoulder line and match up the shoulder lines to make sure they're even on both sides. Once you check that they're even, go ahead and sew it onto the shoulder line. Okay, so mom completed both shoulder lines and she did put in one sleeve, and she's going to show you how to install the sleeve back into your jacket. Also, once you finish your sleeve, go ahead and sew the cuff right back on. Once the cuff is on, you're going to put the sleeve right back in the jacket. Start by matching up the seams and then pin all the way around under the arm, or the sleeve is going to be positioned. Now that you have your sleeve pinned in, go ahead and sew it in place. At this point, your jacket should be completely finished. Sleeves are in, the velvet trim is laying nice and flat, the shoulder line is in, you're done. But mom is going to add an extra element. I wanted a velvet collar on there. So it's good to assess your design and decide if you want to add some extra elements. The Hellasy designer piece is just inspiration only, but feel free to add any special touches that you want. We have some velvet left over from the skirt, so she was able to put a velvet collar on my jacket. Okay, so my jacket is completely done. How's yours going? This is a fun and cute design. So now let's move on to the jeans. So first, fold your jeans up to create a cuff. So get the cuff size that you want. I have a nice large cuff, about 5 or 6 inches, but feel free to make the cuff the size that you need. So once you fold up the cuff on your pants, go ahead and cut the velvet to the size of the cuff that you created. Now make sure your velvet is pinned in place on your cuff, and once you have everything pinned the way you like, go ahead and sew it together. Now, if you notice, she sewed on the velvet and then she flipped the cuff up. Now she's going to put a hem in the cuff. So go ahead and fold the denim over the velvet and pin it, and then use a machine to sew up your hem. Now the cuffs are in and pants are ready, almost. So now let's add some velvet detail to the pockets. So originally I had removed the denim pockets from the jeans and I was going to replace them with velvet pockets, but the velvet is really stretchy and it wasn't really working on the jeans. So we opted for just putting a strip of velvet on the pockets and reinstalling the pockets. Now the jacket and the jeans are all done. I'm just waiting for Mom to hand it off to me and we're gonna start styling. Hey guys, Mom is done. This came out so beautiful. I can't wait to style this. So this is the jacket. You see, this is where she sewed on the waistband from some other jeans. You saw how the sleeve went in, and she put on a velvet collar. Wanted to change up a little bit, make it a collar velvet. But if your jacket just has a denim collar, leave on your denim collar. And the jeans, so cute. Look at the little rosette. And then the pockets, she just put a little strip on the pocket. Because the fabric from the skirt, it was very stretchy. So it's kind of hard to put some stretchy fabric on some jeans that are not so stretchy. But these are the pockets, a little different. Always change. You can change up your variations of your design the way you want it to go. And, especially when you're upcycling, you have to kind of make different changes. But these are the cuffs. So let me show you what I'm going to style it with. I did a collaboration with Betsy Johnson on TikTok Shop, and these are some really cute boots, and I want to wear these boots with the pants. Aren't these gorgeous? These are so pretty. So you have the velvet with the bling, but these are so cute. These are kitten heel. They're below the knee boots, and with a cute kitten heel. Super cute, and they're just sparkle all over. There's one, and then here is the other. So I like that the pants are short, so these are really show the boots off really good. And velvet and crystal blingy goes are really good together. So these are my new in boots, and I love to style my things with something old, something new, something thrifted, and something reused. So the outfit will be the old, reused, and thrifted piece, and these are going to be my new pieces. So okay, and then I'm going to style it with this hat. I'm going to do a whole tutorial video on this hat. Hats, I think, but blingy hats, baseball hats, beanie hats, and socks are like really trending right now. So I will do a whole video that I will show you how I upcycle this hat into this cute bling hat. But this is going to go with the look. For a bag, I thrifted this cute little mesh bag. It's kind of like some gold, or it's more like gold. Yeah, a gold meshy type of bag. I like that it had kind of like a sporty look to it. And so that is the bag. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Let's get dressed.
I'll look at you and say 나를 봐봐 in my craze 조금 더 망설이지 마 Alright I don't want a best friend 너도 나와 같은 맘이야 Waiting to get there 나를 보며 웃어줘 때론 그리움이 우릴 서로 적겠지만 사랑한 그것만큼만 Keep it up, keep 어떤 말로 표현할 수 있을까 어떤 마음으로 널 전할 수 있을까 멀리 가진 않겠지만 우린 더 볼 수 있겠지만 사랑한 수많은 계절만큼만 One, two, three 꽤나 머뭇거렸었지 Take your time 아득하기만 했었지 Those were the days 빙글빙글 주위를 맴돌기만 했어 Oh, I don't wanna last dance
Thank you guys so much for watching. That was so much fun. We nailed this. I know we did. Let me know in the comments. Give us a big thumbs up. Let me know if you like this. Is it something you would wear? Something you would upcycle? Let me know if this tutorial worked for you guys. And also, what should I do for my 10,000 subscriber celebration? You guys want me to go live? Do you want me to do a giveaway? let me know in the comments what you guys like to see. You want to know more about me, you want to ask some questions, just let me know and we will start preparing a video for you. But I probably will do some kind of epic upcycle for sure. And I do want to do a giveaway. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. And once again, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. I will see you guys again in the next one, and happy holidays, happy new year, and until next year, bye.